Okay, mna tufunkuluma na bani?
You're talking to Nkosivile Mabuza.
Nkosivile Mabuza. What's your FIDE rating?
My FIDE rating is 1733.
1733.
Yeah.
Which club do you play for?
I play for Trojan Horse Chess Club.
Where are they?
They're based in Manzini, Park.
Nice. So, how many national championships have you played so far?
So far, apparently this is my first championship that I play.
Okay. So tell me, how's your experience so far?
It's been challenging. It's an amazing sport, as many can say, but it's a bit challenging. But I'll see through the rest of the games.
Okay.
It's been amazing.
Do you want to tell us how many points you've scored so far?
So far, I scored 4 points. So
out of?
Which is out of 6.
4 out of 6, not bad.
Yeah, so it's not bad.
Are you looking forward to the 2026 National Championship?
Very much so, very much so. Sinakipa la madara. I'm cool. It's not retire.
Thank you.